It should slide right out. Ooh. Oh, it's working. So this the mold, ice mold for the Navy Grog. Watch this. So we gotta get some ice in our Lewis bag. Woo! Thor! Oh, if I hit my finger. I just hit the finger. Okay. The one is super tight. Now this is where our straw is gonna go through, okay? So you want to get like dead center and just go straight down, fine. I can put this in the freezer just like this. Ice! Homeboy, this is a classic drink, okay? We can start off with some rum. Some gold rum! Some dark rum! All these like old school drinks. Dudes used to drink like really heavy stuff back in the day. This white grapefruit juice, white grape juice. Grapefruit juice, sorry. White grapefruit juice. Soda water. No, but if you look at old school liquor, it was always stronger than the stuff we're drinking now. These dudes. No wonder why y'all only live till about 20. Okay. Honey water. It's like a simple syrup, but honey. And now you give this a nice little shake. It smells good. Let me grab my little thing so I can pull this piece out. And let's just hope it just slides out pretty soon. So guys, if you give this a little squeeze, it should slide right out. Ooh, look at my baby boy. Again, I mean, like, it's kind of a tiny hole here, okay? I mean, they're close. Oh, it's working. Now we come behind my little pour. Beautiful. Okay. Put a little lime on the side. Ow! And there you have it! The Navy Grog! Okay, if you're wondering why this drink isn't as popular as it once was, you see how hard it is to make that ice shape? Ain't nobody trying to do that, okay? Do it the Navy Grog. I gotta use the ice? Yeah, we need a special, and no. Alright, anyway, as always, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive. Give that ice a try. And if you're looking to buy one of these, you can get these on Amazon or anywhere else, okay? This is Navy Grog Ice Grog, alright? Later!